Hello traders, and welcome back to your weekly market breakdown. Today, we're zoning in on a pair that's showing some fascinating price action, the euro versus the Japanese yen, or EUR/JPY. After a powerful move up, the pair seems to be catching its breath. Is it getting ready for another launch, or is a pullback on the horizon? Let's dive into the analysis. Looking at the recent market discussion, the overall feeling is cautiously optimistic. While some traders are celebrating successful buy trades, the deeper technical analysis suggests we are at a critical decision point. The market isn't giving a clear-cut buy or sell signal right now. Instead, it's telling us to pay close attention to key levels. Let's get to the charts. EURJPY has been in a clear uptrend for weeks, but it's now consolidating in a crucial zone. This area, roughly between 170.50 and 172.00, is where the next major move will likely be decided. Think of it as the market's current battleground. For those with a bullish outlook, a potential buying opportunity could present itself if the price firmly breaks and holds above 172.20. A successful retest of the 171.00 mark would add even more confirmation. If this scenario plays out, the next targets to the upside could be in the region of 173.50 to 174.0. On the other hand, there's a strong case for a short-term sell-off. If the price fails to hold these levels and breaks down below the 170.50 support, it could trigger a deeper correction. In this bearish scenario, sellers might look to target lower levels, potentially around 168.50 or even down to 167.0. This would represent a significant pullback towards the lower trend line of the long-term upward channel. So, let's summarize the key takeaways. First, EURJPY is at a crossroads after a strong bullish run. While the long-term trend is up, a short-term correction is a very real possibility. Second, the price action is all about the zone between 170.50 and 172.0. A breakout above could signal more gains, while a breakdown below could open the door for sellers. Ultimately, patience is key. The market will show its hand soon enough. Watch these levels closely, wait for a clear signal, and as always, manage your risk carefully. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!